Hey everyone, welcome to Velar's channel. Today I'll show you what to do if Windows 10 doesn't detect or display an external or additional hard drive. First, we'll open the command prompt. Then enter this command, msdt.exe id device diagnostic, hit enter. Next, click More. Check this box, click Next, and wait for the diagnostic to run. It should complete and fix your issues. If that doesn't work, go to the Start menu. Type Edit Power Plan to access energy consumption settings. Open it. Click Change Advanced Power Settings, find USB settings, and disable this slider. Then click Apply. I hope this helped you out. Like and subscribe to the channel. This has been Velar. Take care, everyone.